All right, so we're going to look at a little bit of malware today. Kind of a first thing we're going to do is take a look at malware that is hidden inside of other programs. So on this Ubuntu machine, I'm going to start Wireshark, and we know Wireshark is going to capture a whole ton on the range that we don't necessarily want to see, but it'll be important for us to be able to see how this malware works. So I'm just going to open this up, start capturing on the internet, and I'm gonna bring you or on our local area network. I'm gonna bring it over and show you what I have here. So this I already downloaded, and this is our basic Trojan malware. So in order to run this as a program, which is this secure pics viewer, we want to look at this image. So I'm just gonna open this open terminal here and see what happens when I run it. So I'm just gonna and all right, so it just opens up our image, and we can see, and actually it would have opened up every single image in the file, um, and that was the intention, right? We got a program that opens up our pictures. It's convenient, and then we close this out and we see what it does. Okay, so actually it looks like we've got some ping statistics here, and if we go over to this guy and stop and actually search for what just happened, um, well, search for what just happened. So, and let me take a look if I can see 10, 15, 67, 255. Oh, wow, right on the edge there. All right, so we just saw the pings that were sent from us opening that picture to this computer. Um, so to talk a little bit about the dangers of malware is we just created a little bit um, that reached out using the Kali box to talk to the Ubuntu box. Um, and that's pretty much it. So I just see this, and we actually have another little folder, another text folder in here. So take a look at this, and the text file says this is unauthorized access and has been logged, which is actually true. It was logged onto the Ubuntu machine because we saw that we set the bit size. So let's take a look at how that thing operates, how it looks, how it works. We're gonna do this in two different ways. I'm going to try to nano this file first because nano works in terminal. So open this up and okay, so we can actually see through the text of this what it's doing. And it looks like it's definitely using Python 3. That's a shebang script. It basically tells whatever operating system that it needs to run in Python 3. And then down here, we can see a little bit more what it does. So I've got all tabbed out in terms of the functionality of it. So this portion here is the actual functioning piece of go find a file that is a PNG or a JPEG and open it. But then down here, do some other things. So simulate a secret malicious action. So I just said to write a text file right in the same folder that you were in that says it's unauthorized. And then this is an example of the ping. So I said ping 5 times with an interval of 5 seconds, and I wrote in the IP address that I wanted it to ping. Now, in the real malware world, it's not this easy, but I wanted to show you that is how it operates. And now what you're going to do is you're going to be able to identify these a little better. Before we do that, what you're going to have to do is install idle on here so that you can actually change these modules and make your own malware based on the little modules I gave you. So what you're going to do is Control T, and then we're going to pause the video, and I'll make another video for this one.